Here, rinse through the machine before you use it. And also get ready to prepare your next morning drip coffee. On the left, you have the machine's espresso side, which comes with a removable water tank and some, but not all, of the accessories you'll need. It makes 1 or 2 cups of espresso at once with an Italian 15-bar pressure pump that delivers cafe-quality beverages from your home kitchen. Its premium frother on the machine's far left, which I'll use in a little bit, steams milk and creates a beautiful, dense microfoam for cappuccinos. You'll find an espresso portafilter included in the machine, as well as a descaler and anti-chlorine filter support for ongoing maintenance. On the right, which I haven't filmed for this video because it's kind of just basic, it's the same thing you do every morning, there's a 10-cup spill-proof drip coffee carafe, which is made from glass and plastic and sits on a drip coffee warming plate. The filter is on the drip coffee side and just swings out to the right, and setting the timer for any time the next day is really easy. This consumer-grade coffee and espresso machine from DeLonghi is really easy to use. It comes with a small instruction manual, and it includes simple step-by-step guides for each function, leaving very little room for error. That means that it's just as easy to turn on your drip coffee as it is to make yourself an Americano, or, as I'm doing right now, steam up a bunch of oat milk. You'll notice on the steam wand that there is an option for hot milk above and a cappuccino foam below. For more on this DeLonghi
Hi, I'm Chef Z, and I'm excited to introduce you to the new Ninja Dual Brew Pro Grounds and Pods specialty coffee system. This system uses a unique brewing process called Thermal Flavor Extraction Duo to deliver a hot, ultra-flavorful cup of coffee using both grounds and pods. Plus, you can customize the size and style. As someone who relies heavily on their morning coffee, I love that the Ninja Dual Brew Pro Grounds and Pods specialty coffee system unlocks the ability to brew 9 different sizes with grounds and 4 different sizes when brewing through a pod. Plus, this all-in-one system allows you to choose from 4 different brew styles: classic, rich, over ice, and specialty. It also dispenses hot water at 2 different set temperatures, boil and hot, so that you can make instant oatmeal, soups, or tea at the touch of a button. The Ninja Dual Brew Pro system comes equipped with necessary parts so that you can start brewing right away. Included in your unit, you will find the Ninja Smart Scoop for coffee grounds, a froth whisk to help elevate your specialty drinks, a brew basket, a carafe for brewing ground coffee at a larger capacity, a Ninja Pod adapter for brewing pods, and today I'm going to show you how simple it is to brew coffee from grounds and from pods in the Ninja Dual Brew Coffee system. Let's start with brewing from grounds. Power on your unit and insert the brew basket. Next, take the number 4 paper cone filter, fold it along the seams, and insert it firmly into the brew basket. As mentioned, this coffee system allows you to choose from an array of different sizes to fit your needs. Today, I will be brewing a quarter carafe, but you can always have the option to brew from a cup size, travel size, to a full carafe and everything in between. Take your Ninja Smart Scoop and follow the recommended measurements. For a quarter carafe, add 3 to 5 big scoops of grounds using the Ninja Smart Scoop. The more scoops that are added into the basket, the stronger the coffee flavor will be. Now that the filter is in the brew basket and filled with the grounds, pull the sliding lid closed. You'll notice that the unit automatically detects which method is brewing once the insert coordinating adapter. Next, select the size, quarter carafe, and the style, which is classic, Then press Start Brew button and the machine will start brewing. I'm feeling classic today, but for a bolder flavor, you can choose the rich setting. For an iced coffee, select over ice setting, or a single serve specialty brew for a concentrated blend that pairs perfectly with froth milk to create a coffee house style drink right at home. Once your coffee has completed brewing, the keep warm function will default on, keeping your coffee hot for up to 4 hours. Now you can enjoy a hot cup of coffee for hours without having to reheat. Because of the thermal flavor extraction duo technology, not only can you brew through grounds to get maximum flavors, but Ninja's design also provides even saturation and extraction of flavors from a pod. To brew from a pod, insert the Ninja Pod adapter into the brew basket. The Ninja Pod adapter should always be inserted over the brew basket when brewing pods. Slide the handle forward to lock the adapter in place. Then lift the handle, insert the pod, and close the handle firmly. You will notice that the system automatically detects that you are brewing through a pod and offers 4 traditional pod sizes to choose from: 6, 8, 10, or a 12-ounce brew. Next, select your size and style just like I did with the grounds. I'm going to select a 4-ounce and a specialty brew. I love that I have the ability to make a coffee house style drink using the specialty function from a pod. This is a perfect function to pair with the fold-up frother to really elevate your drink. To do this, heat up half a cup of milk of your choosing in a microwave for about 30 seconds. While the coffee is brewing, froth the heated milk for about 30 seconds, then pour on the top of your coffee for a beautiful and tasty coffee creation. I like to add a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra sweetness. Now, if you're looking for more tips and tricks and recipe inspiration, visit us at ninjatestkitchen.com or join our official Ninja Foodie Family community on Facebook.
Gevi EO22 multifunctional 2-in-1 coffee machine, designed to perform a barista espresso quality a cappuccino or a latte, based on your preference. The key point of this elegant coffee machine: NTC, intelligent temperature control, that ensure the perfect temperature every time for brew coffee or steam for milk frothing. A very powerful thermoblock boiler, 1350 watt for a fast heating and just 30 seconds to brew a perfect cup of coffee. Italian ODM pump, 20 bar, with high and stable pressure during the brew of our espresso. In front, auto and manual setting control doors and a professional stainless steel steam pipe. More details about this sleek, compact coffee machine. On the back, a removable 1.5 liter water tank with a handle for easy remove and the size of max level to avoid overflow. On the top, the warm tray to pre-warm the cup before brew the coffee. In front, the push button with light indicator, and on the right side, the knob for function selection. A double shot brew can brew on the same time 2 cups of coffee. A stainless steel steam pipe with handle for easy movement and removal part for easy cleaning. A removal drip tray with stainless steel cup support and a tools, one side spoon and one side temper. Very easy to use, just 8 steps to prepare your perfect cappuccino. Enjoy your preferred coffee with the Gevi coffee machine.
Here are some barista tips to help you achieve great tasting espresso with your Calphalon Temp IQ espresso machine with grinder. When it comes to getting a good extraction, using freshly roasted, good quality beans is the first and most important step. All old coffee beans, no matter the grind settings, will have a fast extraction, producing an under-extracted espresso that tastes sour and watery. Coffee beans are best flavored between 5 and 20 days after roast, so look for beans that have a roasted date on the bag and buy small 250-gram batches to reduce storage time. Storage is key to preserve the freshness of the beans, so always keep them in an airtight container in a cool, dark cupboard. For better tasting results, fill the water tank with filtered water. Fine-tune the grind size until it's just right, not too coarse or too fine. Turn counterclockwise for a coarser grind and clockwise for a finer grind. Once you have perfected your grind settings, fill the filter basket to the right amount. It's normal for the correct quantity to appear overfilled prior to tamping. Press with 20 to 30 pounds of force and make sure the edges are aligned with the top of the filter basket. Now it's time to evaluate the quality of your extraction. Extraction time is a good indicator of the quality of the espresso. When the extraction time is too short, you might need to make the grind finer, add more grinds to your filter basket, or tamp more firmly. When the extraction time is too long, you should make the grind coarser, use less grinds, or try tamping more softly. An optimal extraction of coffee should take 20 to 30 seconds of steady flow, creating a caramel color and golden crema that tastes rich, sweet, and vibrant. Now you can enjoy your great tasting espresso from your Calphalon Temp IQ espresso machine with grinder. Here are some barista tips to help you froth your delicious silky milk with your Calphalon Temp IQ espresso machine. Frothing involves both heating and aerating milk using steam. The perfect milk frothing technique requires correct steam wand angle, milk pitcher position, and reaching the right temperature. To start, fill the pitcher with cold milk to just below the bottom of the spout. The volume of milk will increase during frothing, so take care not to overfill the pitcher. Turn the dial to steam to allow the steam to heat up. Once the light stops flashing and is fully illuminated, briefly turn the dial back to the off position. Position the steam wand into the sphere of the pitcher, 1 finger width away from the edge and just below the surface of the milk. Keep the pitcher as steady as possible, and as the milk level rises, lower the pitcher to keep the tip just below the surface. If you hear a gurgling sound, then the tip of the steam wand is not deep enough. If you hear a screeching sound, then the tip is too deep, so adjust the pitcher position accordingly. The frothing should make a smooth hissing noise, and a whirlpool action should be created in the pitcher. Once frothed, the volume of milk should have almost doubled. To complete the process, immerse the steam wand completely inside the milk. This blends the milk and foam together, making it denser and smoother. The milk is ready when the pitcher base is too hot to touch for 3 seconds. You can also use a thermometer for more precise results. The optimum milk temperature should be between 140 and 149 degrees, but this might vary with different types of milk. For optimum performance, always purge the steam wand of any excess milk and wipe the steam wand clean after use. Milk that has been frothed correctly has a thick, rich microfoam with a silky shade. Gently tap the pitcher to release larger air bubbles, and swirl to blend the milk and create a silky texture. Pour the milk into the glass in a gentle, continuous motion. If the milk becomes too thin or thick, gently tap and swirl the milk again until the texture is shiny, and then resume pouring. Now, you can enjoy your great tasting espresso from your Calphalon Temp IQ espresso machine.